IKEA में, and this is the entrance we are going in. The first time we are visiting Navi Mumbai IKEA store. I'm very excited. Let's go in. IKEA is a Sweden company, by the way, and it is into furnitures, ready-made furnitures, fixtures, kitchen appliances, home decor items, and everything you will find here. So it's a one place, one destination for everything. So अब हम अंदर जा रहे हैं, तो let's catch you up guys inside the store. Look at this same one we had. Isn't it? It's for a bed. This is the IKEA restaurant. और हम आते ही रेस्टोरेंट में पहुंच गए हैं. So I think we have to go down again. This looks like a restaurant.
Do you
want to eat now?
I feel like.
You feel let's no, this is not a restaurant, this is a showroom. Look, it's a showroom, it's not a restaurant here. Restaurant is that side, but we are in the bedroom area, I think. Bedroom furniture. White bed, Ari, see the price.
I don't like it.
You didn't like it?
It's not
White
full.
furniture.
I like this.
Look at the kitchen. Nice kitchen. Kitchen. And even this is one kind of a kitchen. This is a nice island with high chair. Looks like a living space. Oh, I love here. This is a nice dining with glass seats. Yeah, chair is good. It's, I think, made up of plastic.
Oh, it's plastic.
That's 6,450, I think, per chair. This is a study table. It looks pretty hard. Yeah. Oopsie, this is coming out. And majorly I want to tell you guys कि IKEA का जो furniture होता है would last almost approximately 1 or 2 years, because I had been to USA और वहाँ पे मैंने IKEA का कुछ सामान यूज़ किया था, and I could find similar things here as well. They are not bad, they are worth the price, but still आपको थोड़ा सा उसके साथ carefully deal करना पड़ता है, because if you want it as a durable product to use it for a longer period of time, तो आपको थोड़ा delicately चीज़ों को handle करना पड़ेगा. This IKEA store is full of furniture, kitchen appliances and everything. यहाँ पे आप जितनी भी utensils या कोई भी किचन की अप्लायंसेस देख रहे हो, दे आर ऑल ऑन सेल। यहाँ पे वो लोग एक कस्टमाइज्ड प्रॉपर किचन या बेडरूम सेट बताते हैं, जहाँ पे एज इज जैसे आप घर में चीज़ों को सजाते हो उस तरह आपको यहाँ पे दिखाया जाता है, सो दैट आपको एक फील आए कि आपका किचन या आपका लिविंग रूम या आपकी बेडरूम स्पेस जो होती है वो कैसे दिखेगी, सो दैट यू कैन अरेंज योर थिंग्स अकॉर्डिंगली। एंड यहाँ से आप ऐसी कुछ चीज़ें ले सकते हो जो आपके किचन को और भी खूबसूरत बनाती है। यूटिलिटीज़ है, कप्स है, टिश्यू पेपर्स, ब्रूम्स, एवरीथिंग यू विल फाइंड इन IKEA.
Say hi from there. Is it cozy? Comfy? It's a nice couch, right?
Like
The lamp. Yeah. Very nice decor. Mirror. This is a nice cupboard. Look at this. Nice cupboard here. With sliding doors. Show me. Drawer. Excuse me. Show me the drawer. Not showing me.
How to open this?
Open it. The jewelry box. Jewelry box.
अगर आप IKEA जा रहे हो तो वहाँ का फूड आप डेफिनेटली ट्राई करें, स्पेशली दाल मखनी एंड राइस एंड सूप्स आप ट्राई कर सकते हो। यहाँ पे वेज एंड नॉन वेज दोनों की भी वैरायटी मिलती है। चाय थोड़ी फीकी है बट आप ट्राई कर सकते हो।
घेऊन आणलं तुम्ही?
This couch is good. Oh, I like this. Look at my Thela. Oh. And this is a nice mirror. Ouch. It's good, Loki. No price. Look at the big aisles. It feels like you are in the US. Costco, IKEA, USA is similar to this. Navi Mumbai IKEA store. Absolutely similar.
है ना?
Study lamp. Nice furniture and stuff. What is the price of 990, 300?
So, how soon is it expected, the hydraulic?
The hydraulic will be coming November.